इस वक्त हम चलता टीवी की जानब से जहाँ पे एक स्टॉल के सामने खड़े हैं जहाँ पे हुक्का जो अमेरिका में बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहे हैं और लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड हो रहा है, लोग इस जानब लोग आ रहे हैं। तो स्टॉल के जो ऑनर हैं और उनसे बात करते हैं कि क्या वो इसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा बताएं।
Salam. My name is Kamran. We own it's called the Living Room Shisha Lounge. We have 2 locations. It's in Frisco and we have one in North Dallas. The Living Room Shisha Lounge carries shisha only. So what is a shisha? Shisha is a hookah that has tobacco flavors that goes on top of the hookah, and then we put charcoals and you're inhaling the smoke from here. What we offer is just shishas. We don't do food or alcohol. We like to keep the place clean, and it's an upscale place. We do offer coffees, chai, teas, snacks. It has to be 18 and over to enter and to sit and to smoke. And we do have a retail store as well. And we're located in 2 locations. We're on Instagram and Facebook. You can find us. We do have a really good high rating on Yelp and Google reviews. And we're primarily very clean environment. We like to keep it that way. So it's not like a nightclub. It's a coffee house for hookah smokers. And that's what we do.
So what is the most different part, like generation wise?
Well, this has been around for a very long time. It has become a little bit more popular in today's time, and it is completely acceptable. Everything you do in life, you do in modifications, and you should be okay. But it's a casual smoke place. So after a good dinner or just want to get away, you just want to come and smoke a little bit. And then I like it after a meal. So, after a good meal, I come and I smoke my hookah, and that's it.
That's absolutely
Right.
This kind of activities
It's very, yes.
is like giving them some fresh in the mind.
Right.
And I think these kind of places are getting popular.
Yeah.
Because
There are
a lot of social activities
Right.
being happening, a lot of business opportunities are being discussed in
Right.
these kind of activities.
There are a lot of hookah lounges, don't get me wrong. It all depends what environment you want to be in. If you like to be in an environment where you can have a conversation, like the we are, you want to play games and watch TV, my hookah lounge has that. If you go to a hookah lounge that has loud music and is a nightclub and wants alcohol, we're not that environment. And in a nutshell, I'm very proud of what we come up with. It has a rustic industrial look, and then the other one's very clean and modern, which is a mid-century look to it. So we're located again in North Dallas. It's on Frankfurt and Preston, and then in Frisco, we're located on Dallas Parkway and Main Street. You should come by and check it out.